Hi guys, we have a prank and we're gonna put coffee on toothpaste. And then we're gonna make Ninong drink the coffee.
Now we wake him up.
We all made you coffee.
Hingising ka na ni Kilian.
We made
Umayo
you
ka na, may
coffee.
lakad tayo.
Hey, Kilian.
Move here.
You made this?
Yes. Now we're here.
Hi guys, we have a prank and we're gonna put coffee on toothpaste. And then we're gonna make Ninong drink the coffee.
Okay.
Because, why will you do that? Because
It's funny.
We are team Balimbing. Balimbing.
Okay, come on guys.
Okay.
the water is still boiling. So after the water boil, then I'll get a cup. Okay, I'll get a cup. I'll make a coffee for Nino. Then wake him up and ask him, you did. Ano? You did. Ano? What do you do? Huh?
Mommy, you're making my head hurt. You're so noisy. The English is not good, right?
Oh, Kilian, do it. Then we put some. Okay, more. Then we put some. Oh my God, what's that? What's? Okay. Then I want to taste it, Kilian. Huh? Let's try. Oh my God. What kind of coffee is that, Kilian? You put more.
I did. That's supposed na.
Hey guys.
Okay, stir it.
Stir it. Oh, now you wake him up. You know.
You want to try? Yeah, I think like.
That's hot, Kilian. Huh?
We made you.
Aga.
We all made you coffee.
Hingising ka na ni Kilian.
We made
Umayo
you
ka na, may
coffee.
lakad tayo.
We made you coffee.
Oh, bait nga niya, oh. Medyo a coffee, oh. Tingnan mo kung tama yung timpla ni
Hey, Kilian.
We made you coffee.
Video si ate.
Huh? Special moment.
Hindi dyan lang niya si Kilian kasi marunong na siyang gumawa ng coffee.
Move here.
You made this?
Yes, all by myself.
All by yourself?
Yes.
You know how to make coffee na?
Yes.
Thank you, Kilian.
Tasty.
You, coffee?
So, nagtapos na kami ni Kilian ng breakfast. We're done.
We're done.
Breakfast na kami.
Yeah. Akin na lang kung ayaw mo.
No, Kilian made this. I thought we were enemies.
No, we aren't.
We are not enemies. Cheers. Cheers for Kilian.
And syrup? No.
What did you say?
It's very minty.
Why is it? Why would it be minty?
It's good. Maybe you put too much sugar, Kilian.
Oh, I put 7 sugars.
What?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why it's minty.
No, it isn't. I actually just put 2 sugars.
You just put 2 sugar.
He put 2 sugars, but Mama put 2 sugars as well.
It's minty. Parang ano, yung parang expensive na coffee.
Really? Expensive daw.
Expensive.
Yung parang may lasa siyang may sipa.
My
How did you do that?
I
No,
don't know.
it's like chocolate na ano,
Should I tell him?
may minty flavor. But hindi ko ma-explain. How did you do this, Kilian?
It has a special recipe.
Yeah.
Eh,
Want
go
me to
ahead.
tell you?
Mm-hmm.
It's toothpaste.
What? Wait.
Show it to Nino. Where's the toothpaste you
Hindi ba delikado yun?
Hindi, di ba tinututbrush naman natin yan? Basta naman sa bibig yan eh.
Why did you do that?
Because we are Team Killian.
Oh! Who told you that, Killian?
No. Oh,
No one.
Who told you that?
Oh, Mama told me to prank
Yeah. So
Yeah.
who told of the prank?
me, and Mama told me to prank you.
Yes, but Mama wants to put toothpaste at Ninong's face, but
And put burning hot coffee on your face. So I think mine's better.
yeah.
Grab na. Kahit pa naman dito. Okay. Prank war sa Australia. Okay, Killian. We started this, ha?
Prank war.
Prank wars is back. Kakagising ko na kahit hanggang... You know, Mama always prank me when I'm sleeping back in the Philippines.
Why?
Because that's what we're doing. And now, we're here. And you again prank me when I'm sleeping again.
Protect Killian.
Yeah.
No one can protect you from Tibaga! Ah!
Say Rotibaga?
Team.
Tibaga.
Timaga.
No, it's Rotibaga. What do you mean?
What's that?
It's not Rotibaga.
What's that?
Rotibaga. No one knows from Plant vs. Zombies.
No, it's different. Ito, babawian natin to. Malupit. Babawian ko kayo malupit. But anyway, good prank, Killian. I like it. Actually, the coffee's good.
Really? Put some toothpaste.
Actually, no, stop it! Lasa siyang expensive chocolate kasi may sipa siya nung una, pero kadiri pala. Babawian kita, Killian. I will prank
I
you.
will not eat anything you give me.
Oh.
And Dad gives me.
No, I will not. I will not bow. We're friends, Killian.
Yeah. Eat me.
What?
Friends.
Oh, okay.
Don't trust him. Even though he tells you we're friends, he's still gonna prank you.
Okay, I'll just throw these in the bin.
No. Give me.
Fine, only one.
Oh, no, Killian. No more na. I won't prank you. Nagtulungan pa kayo babawian
Siyempre.
ko kayo. Kayo lang babawian ko dahil bati pa rin kami ni Killian. Kayo lang babawian ko. Umanda kayo.
Kung kaya mo kami ni Killian. Yun na naman.
No.
Mas maraming
Next
team
prank
Gina.
to him.
Oh yeah, okay. I like that. Okay.
Next prank to Mama.
Yes, let's go.
And then after that, you again.
Yeah.
And then him.
Oh.
And then you. And then him. Is this your phone?
Yes.
Okay.
Mami, wala na tayong toothpaste.
You used it in your cup, eh? And you said it's special.
How can I brush my teeth?
Use your coffee. There's toothpaste naman, eh.